retro guy, back with another one. And on today's episode, we're gonna basically answer a very simple question. Do these shoe shields actually work? Because I want to know for my own personal sanity. We're gonna take a shoe that's like notorious for creasing, put them to the test, and we're gonna slap these in here, see if they actually work, run around for the day, whatever, and see if they actually make a difference. Product review style, and we're gonna be testing out the force fields. These are for sale actually at Foot Locker, and I spent my own money, so nobody's sponsoring this video or anything. I'm kind of curious myself, if they're supposed to prevent your toe box from creasing or getting creased. We're gonna take the Air Max Speed Turf because we all know how bad these crease up. They crease up something fierce. So we're gonna put these on road and we're gonna see how they perform under stress using these force field shoe protectors. You can actually find these at Foot Locker like for, I don't know, it's like $12 before tax. So we're gonna actually find out if they do their job or not. Hit that like and subscribe button. You already know it helps me out in the algorithms. Let's take a closer look at this box here just so we know what we're dealing with, you know what I mean? Force field shoe crease preventer, and as you can see, it goes in the toe box. It's supposed to eliminate creasing and wear, and you can see there's like 2 strips of adhesive, $12, you know what I mean? Or 1 pair in there, and these are size medium. I think it goes based on shoe size, so what you have here is you actually have the sizing chart, and at the back it gives you its little spiel about force field, preventing creases, and they fit seamlessly inside a toe box and all this. Let's see what we got here. And this is basically, this is what we're looking at. There's obviously L for left shoe. You have your 2 adhesive strips, force field, mediums, and there's obviously 2 of them, so you know which one's the left shoe, which one's the right shoe. You can see they have some perforation holes there so that you don't get that stank toe. One other thing is that the texture of these is actually very foamy. It's a very springy foam, reminds me of like a Boost almost. But from the feel, I can tell there's a little bit of extra beef where the creasing happens, and that's probably to protect your foot because that's where most of the action is going to happen. I don't think that you're going to feel it, but this is obviously my prediction. So we're going to throw them in the Speed Turfs, the crease machines, and see how they actually hold up after a day of wear. So here we have the Speed Turf chlorophyll, and this is the shoe that we're going to be using to test. As you can see here, the toe box is in great shape, no creasing to begin with, or hardly any creasing. These have just been undesed. First of all, I gotta unlace these baddies because there's all kinds of preventative from me getting down deep into the shoe, and we're gonna throw it in and see how easy it is to actually get these in the toe box. I've fully unlaced these. I have the shoe ready to go. I figured it's easier and it's gonna be more accurate if I fully unlace the shoe. We got the tongue fully out and prepared to go. We're gonna go right because this is the right shoe, and we're gonna prepare our adhesive strip here. Okay, so we got 1, we got 2. Okay, so adhesive strips ready, going in the shoe. Let's see how easy it is to get this in here and get a good bond all the way up the skirt. You know what I'm saying? Go as far as possible. I'm gonna squeeze it up to the top and get a nice firm slap that hole. Hopefully that takes. So that's kind of what it's looking like. It's kind of has a little protrusion now. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to cut that off or not, but I'll find out pretty soon, I'm sure. I'm trying to feel now with my hand to see how far up this went. Now it looks like it did a good job of getting up there. I'm gonna put the other one on the other shoe, and we're gonna actually put them on foot and see how they feel, and we'll go from there. First thing is that it takes away room out of your shoe. So for the most part, like
you know, if you're used to wearing a size 10, it's gonna feel like you're wearing a size 9.5.
Oh, okay.
Right? You can feel it there, and it's kind of like something that's sandwiching your toes together between the outsole or the insole and the roof of the shoe. So you can see the difference when I crease up or when I toe up. You can see right there, right? And that's the problem with the speed turfs, is they're known for just getting so destroyed like that. But these are actually doing a pretty good job. Like, I'm aggressively pressing that now too, like, you know what I mean? So that's the difference. I think the shoe shields definitely do work as far as I can tell.
Perfect. So what do you guys think of these baddies? Did you actually buy these ever? Have you ever tried these force field joints? Do you guys think they work? What is your opinion on these? And do you think they made a difference? Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks to all my fans. I will see you guys on the next episode. That's been a product review of the force fields available at Foot Locker. See you guys in another one. Peace.